Do you guys know the speciality of 12th September 1989?
You must be
You
able
were
to.
born.
Actually, even I don't know. It's not my birthday. 8th April 1989, exactly a week after the Fool's Day, a healthy fat baby weighing 3.5 kilos was born to the two most smartest people in the world, my mom and dad, of course. And after 22 years, here's the baby standing in front of you. But the only similarity that follows is the baby is still healthy. A very good afternoon to all of you all. This is Sumaya presenting the first icebreaker here in Toastmasters. Oh, heaven to me on the earth is Chikmagalur, the place where I was born. I completed my schooling in a place called Kadur, just 40 kilometers away from Chikmagalur. And I did my engineering in SJC Mysore. I graduated in computer science and engineering. And I have a little brother who's doing his medicine now, and he's the only person who can tolerate me. As a kid, I loved playing sports, especially the outdoor games. And Kabaddi was my favorite sport. Actually, I don't know if I can play it with the same energy and enthusiasm. But then if I get a chance to, I'll surely do it. Volleyball is one game I really love to play, and I'm continuing playing it. And badminton and TT are the sports I've started playing now. And I was a very disciplined and an obedient kid. But still, the only time when I used to give heart attacks to my parents was during the sports week. I used to get hurt very badly. And never in my school I revealed that I was hurt or anything. I used to act like a superhero all the time. But the moment I come back home, all my superheroism would vanish and show my wounds to my mom and start crying. And the first time I heard about Toastmasters was when I was in my third year of engineering. It sounded more like a cookery show to me, I don't know why. But then one of my professors actually insisted me to attend Toastmasters session. But it's always that, when some professor insists you on attending something, it's more fun not doing it. So I didn't attend it. And after that, I'm happy that I'm a part of Toastmasters. It's been 6 months here in Cisco as an employee. And I've done my internship here, so it's more than a year. I always had this image of office being very boring because I used to visit my mom's place, my mom's office. The government offices usually will be like these black and white movies where even when people smile, you feel as if they are at the gunpoint and they're forcing themselves to smile. But fortunately, the environment here is very different. I would not say totally different because I've started accepting that there are so many things which are not same as the college. The words like "Abhi hat" has become "excuse me," and "oh please get lost" has become "thank you." "Abhi zinda hai ki mar gaya" is "hi, how are you doing?" So I think I'll start picking up these things and try to overcome. And when I was going through the icebreaker speeches in the net, so people told about their passion and everything. So I don't really have anything like a passion or something. I don't have a strong desire to achieve something in life. I'm a very normal person. I like doing things, and if it clicks, it's okay. If it doesn't, and there are many better things to do in the world. You don't have to get stuck with one thing. So I like moving on that way. And you all might have heard of Newton's laws of inertia. They are best applicable to me actually. Unless forced to do anything, I don't do anything. And when I start doing something, again I need an external force to stop me. Now that I've decided to join Toastmasters, I hope the journey continues and the state of inertia continues. Thank you.